The Supreme Court has issued a notice to the IME Ministry and the Censor Board on Actor Director Amol Palekar's plea to implement Shah-Benegal panel guidelines in the Censor Board. Now, Amol Palekar, the petition wants a complete revamp of the Cinematography Act and the Censor Board. Why, you ask? Well, my colleague Vedya spoke to him.
Usually, the Supreme Court doesn't have visitors from the Bollywood, but today, an interesting visitor, not only visitor, a petitioner, Mr. Amol Palekar, who made the common man in the late 70s and 80s. He is now in the Supreme Court. Normally, we have seen you either before camera or behind camera. What is the reason here in Supreme Court today?
I am behind camera still. The reason to be here was we have filed a petition in Supreme Court, which we think is very necessary to have a fresh look at the changing scene vis-a-vis the creative spaces, and also look at the Cinematography Act, which was done 47 years ago. Since then, nothing has been done, and the complete change from the internet and all these spaces, social media, which is a paradigm change. Keeping that in mind, I think it is high time that we have a relook.
So you want a complete revamping of this whole censor issue?
We are trying to relook at the K. Abbas. That's a decision given by the five judges bench in 1970. After that, in no other matter, the vires of the constitutionality of the Act, Cinematography Act, after 1952 was challenged ever. We thought that rather than seeking relief as per each film that has been denied the certification, we thought that we should relook at the core issues that are raised by the so-called censorship that is being emerged and that has been exercised daily and wrongly, I must add that.